Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of espresso machines, and I've got the top 5 picks of 2024 just for you. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting your espresso journey, this video is packed with everything you need to know to make the perfect cup at home. Stay tuned because we'll be breaking down the features, pros and cons of each machine, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one suits your needs best. Plus, I have some insider tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your espresso machine. So grab a cup of your favorite brew, hit that like button, and let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews and coffee tips. Let's dive in. Number 5, Breville Barista Express. Hey coffee enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the amazing features of the Breville Barista Express. Now let's get into it. The Breville Barista Express delivers third-wave specialty coffee at home using the 4 Keys formula. It's part of the Barista series, offering all-in-one espresso machines with an integrated grinder to go from beans to espresso in under a minute. One standout feature is the high dose control grinding. The integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter. For tight, optimal water pressure. The low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure at the start to ensure all flavors are evenly drawn out, giving you a balanced tasting cup. For those who love crafting their drinks, the right manual microfoam milk texturing allows you to hand texture microfoam milk, enhancing flavor and enabling the creation of beautiful latte art. Lastly, the grind size dial is simple and intuitive, giving you control over the grind size no matter what type of bean you're using. So if you're ready to elevate your coffee game, the Breville Barista Express is the perfect choice. Number 4, DeLonghi Latte. Hey coffee aficionados! Today we're diving into the features of a fantastic coffee machine that will elevate your coffee game to a whole new level. First, let's talk versatility. With this machine, you get 50+ hot and cold recipes at the touch of a button. Whether you're in the mood for an espresso, cappuccino, latte, iced cappuccino, iced latte, or even a cold brew, this machine has got you covered. The built-in conical burr grinder with 13 settings ensures you get freshly ground coffee with any beans of your choice. Now for the milk lovers, this machine features hot and cold foam technology. The Latte Crema Hot system textures milk, or your favorite milk alternatives to perfection for classic espresso beverages like latte and cappuccino. One standout feature is the ability to enjoy cold brew in under 3 minutes with DeLonghi's proprietary cold extraction technology. Yes, you heard that right. Delicious cold brew coffee in just a few minutes. So, if you're looking to upgrade your coffee experience with a machine that offers a wide range of beverages, fresh grinding, and perfect milk texturing, this is the one for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more coffee content, and comment below with your favorite coffee recipe. Number 3, Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Hey coffee lovers! Today, we're diving into the impressive features of the classic Evo Pro espresso machine. Let's get started. First up, the commercial steam wand offers full control while steaming and frothing milk, perfect for producing tight microfoam for that beautiful latte art. The 58 ml polished steel portafilter is durable and commercial-sized, free from any blemishes and imperfections. The 3-way solenoid valve, typically found in commercial machines, relieves pressure off the coffee for a dry, easily discarded puck. Superior mounting of the vibration pump dampens sound while brewing, so the classic Evo Pro produces excellent espresso with less noise. Brewing performance is top-notch with the inclusion of an updated OPV to ensure that espresso is extracted at 9 bar, as recommended by the Specialty Coffee Association. The control panel features 3 high-quality rocker switches for power, brewing, and steaming. Each switch has its own indicator light to tell you when the machine is on, ready to brew, and ready to steam. So, if you're looking to elevate your home espresso game, the classic Evo Pro is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think of this machine. See you next time. Number 2, Philips 3200. Hey, coffee lovers! Today we're diving into the Philips 3200 series, a game changer for your morning routine. One of the standout features is the Latte Go milk system. Imagine topping your coffee with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. It's like having a barista in your kitchen. Whether you're in the mood for a cappuccino or a latte, this feature delivers a creamy finish every time. Navigating through your coffee options is a breeze with the intuitive touch display. Select the perfect coffee for your mood with just one touch. It's incredibly user-friendly and makes brewing your favorite coffee so much fun. Now, let's talk customization. The My Coffee Choice menu lets you adjust the strength and quantity of your beverage. Choose from 3 different settings to suit your preferences, whether you like it strong, mild, or somewhere in between. Plus, the aroma extract system ensures the optimum balance between brewing temperature and aroma extraction for a rich, flavorful cup every time. So, if you're looking for a coffee machine that offers convenience, customization, and top-notch quality, the Philips 3200 series is the way to go. Get ready to elevate your coffee game. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coffee gadget reviews. Stay caffeinated. Number 1, Diletta Mio Espresso. Hey, coffee lovers! Today I've got something special for all you espresso enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the features of an amazing espresso machine that's designed to bring cafe-quality coffee right into your home. Let's check it out! First up, let's talk about the Mar PID brew boiler. This insulated brew boiler is just the right size, balancing quick heat times with the perfect thermal mass for shot stability. Next, we have the Yay Second steam circuit. This is a discrete 1000W thermoblock that provides on-demand steaming for those times you're craving a cappuccino or a latte. It heats up quickly so you can enjoy your favorite milk-based drinks without the wait. The tar pressure gauge is another fantastic addition. It lets you monitor the brew pressure, making it super easy to dial in and diagnose shot quality. So if you're serious about your coffee and want a machine that offers precision, control, and convenience, this is the one for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more coffee reviews and tips, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on this machine. Stay caffeinated and happy brewing! Hey everyone! Today, I showcase the top 5 espresso machines. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or curiosities about these espresso machines, feel free to share them with me in the comments section. Also, I'd love to hear which espresso machine you prefer or which one is your favorite. Make sure to turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our new videos. See you in the next video, and happy coffee days. Take care and enjoy your coffee.